This is a birthday message to my mom. My mom's birthday is today. It's not really gonna go well though. Well, that's what she says. Please comment below to tell my mom happy birthday. And I want to check something. Is it like the middle of the year or something? Because every time I do another one, it doesn't show the date. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday, August 11th. Then her birthday is gonna be next Saturday, which is my brother's birthday, August 18th. Her birthday party is gonna be next Saturday. Well, just comment below and tell my mom happy birthday, please.